an talarang kan misrang kan hungtol no kan jibok no kan cheng rang hai kan phoi tale kan tun rang Hmar Army at top chanin thei top su in lung hu takin hui sen taka kal pel tlang in hung vulati sak ming maram chui lo di thang nei ti wei nam ta din pe nei ti wei ram ta din ka chun ka zun lung phang no ro kan man no min I o tu thila rum khata kam le sang khata ra lu kan la ti tuan ha ti rinanda ma sa bin kam in le lum maram.
Hello Manipur people, Northeast people, welcome back everyone. So today we have one suggested video also by the title Hmar Army guys. We have Eldad S. Khawzawl feat Jacobinn. Hmar, they call it Hmar or Hmar guys. Feat Abi Joute guys. I think this song is for the Hmar Army guys, dedicated by the Manipur people guys. So this is Gabs from South Sudan in Africa. Yeah,
Muhammad Hagu from Sudan, Africa also.
Yeah, so today we are going to see Manipur guys. Actually Manipur is going through hard time guys, and may God be with you guys. I know it is really so sad time for you guys, but our prayer with you guys, everything might come into solution. So let's check it out guys. Don't forget also share this video guys and stay tuned. Let's go. Hmar Abi directed by Alan.
Tuin ay una ay sansug dingin ay fe dingana luwam tan khamayum thei nisin la khom pakhat khamai mak san no dingani umshi sengan no Hmar Abi Hile room khata damle dam khata Hile room khata damle dam khata Hmar Abi Hile room khata damle dam khata.
Let's go save Manipur. Hmar Abi, you are the only people to save Manipur. Kanta
kan cheng naram maram multin tlang tin kan ro lu moi zulati pile pu hai sat sa lan thang ati vul nge ati kan ro lu maram
we go fight for Manipur.
Amoy kan tlang ram
You are the one to save Manipur, no one else.
Shanghai hin chui ding kan phal no ngam pasal tra zam ngai lo kan pen simle mar sakle tang ma tin panin ram le nam ta dingin mi do tu kan mel ma in ko su pasal tra ngil ni ma tim kan lu la tu la klonin ti kan ma la kunin ti kan sun kan zulung phang no ro nam dam na din ram him na din in dam na din fam tang ke mar pasal tra seng rang choin kan lin zo ta do ra sa rang ma zam ngai lo Hmar Abi pasal tra wal rul tom ngai lo
Hmar Abi forever.
Tang kata kan bui na kan dui na kan zam na kan fe pe ma ti panin kan pen pe mar pasal tra ron
Hmar Abi forever. You are the only one to save Manipur. Amda Kanta Amdo
Azul sa nuye kom ing hun lem hun kom ring taka ngir tatin sel taka kal choi pein la ne nge yeti ne na la do sam nge yeti in na le hui sa na chom ngai na sel tatin ge ni ma lu la nam ram le nam ta ding ti chen kom in thu top chenin ne nge ding no khaile mi lo mu ro thang su pun le sim tu pathin kan ti ng chang akut sha tin mi thui pe ti Hmar Abi star the nation
Hmar Abi
Hmar Abi
Tell them, bro, you're the only people to save Manipur. You have to fight.
Sakti nga kan lal na ram maram do ral hung sang velin hung leng sing khom kan dui big no an talarang kan misrang kan hungtol no kan jibok no kan cheng rang hai kan phoi tale kan tun rang Hmar Army at top chanin thei top su in lung hu takin hui sen taka kal pel tlang in hung vulati sak ming maram chui lo di thang nei ti wei nam ta din pe nei ti wei ram ta din ka chun ka zun lung phang no ro kan man no min I o tu thila rum khata kam le sang khata ra lu kan la ti tuan ha ti rinanda ma sa bin kam in le lum maramani sim galatum lim pe si kom ni ta le kum pile pu hai sa sa hung vulati kan tang ram moi nam ta din kan pen kan tre kan par me ke ma no ga na li na ti nei ki senga nang ni ke ni pan nam ko ran din ki lovin hum ta ka ti kan nam le ram hung vulati kan chen na ram kan dol ran hung sang sin kom kan maram ni lin zulati chile
gotta fight, bro. You gotta unite, whether you're male or female. You gotta put the power together.
Kan ram manom kan cheng ram bul
Send
nge
them, bro.
di mi hai to na maram
Send them commando.
thang ei tiu nam ta din pe nei tiu nam ta din thong ei tiu nam ta din
Hold on.
do ral ma zam ngai lo ma
Hold
nam
on.
hui sen
Two
kan
this
ram
side.
kan ta
We are not giving up.
nam
We
kan
fight
ro
forever, contact,
har
and
na
no.
hai kan leng nam ta din kan tha le zung kan seng
Consent,
Tilum kata, dam
contact.
kata,
Tilum
ram ei
kata.
nam toy sang na di, ma ting pan pay yin zam lo vin mul tin tru tin kang tin tro in na sur sa nu ya ram le nam ta din kal joy ei tiu to sing ei tiu nang ni ke ni ti big lo vin lung rung tak ka tu khat ruin fe pay ei tiu ei nam ta din
Hmar Army forever, no
Chang
daddy,
rulin,
daddy.
lung rulin, zam lo vin fe pay ei tiu kan
Over.
kan
Kill
nam
it. We
kan
move
ta
on.
kan ram kan nam kan ta
Kan nam.
ma ram kan ram kan ro lu
Kan ta.
Chile rum kata, dam le tang kata
Ito yung room kata.
Chile rum kata, dam le tang kata
You gotta fight for Manipur, bro. It's your land. Never give up. You gotta save it, man. Don't let them take it. Kill the rebel, man. This is your land. You have to fight for it. Kanre Mono Kanta. Never give up, guys. Never, never, ever give up. This is your country. This is your state, Manipur. You have the full right. You should fight for your justice, guys. It has been too long, guys. I saw the fight going on in Manipur. It has been really too long. They haven't come into solution, guys. So what else, man? You have to fight for your own right. That is the only place. It's not the first time such thing to happen, and it is also so sad seeing people losing their life. But when justice is not there and they can't give you justice, then what can we do, guys? It's only God who is gonna save you, guys. And you have to make sure that you have to get your justice, guys. We have nothing to say. I also feel bad for the Kuki people and for the old people who lost their life, guys. It is really so sad, right?
Yeah, it's so sad.
It's really so sad. 1 year and something. Still, Manipur is burning, guys. I'm so sorry to say that, guys, but I'm just wishing you all the best. Our prayer with you, guys. Everyone watching this video, pray for Manipur, guys. You will definitely make it one day, one time. Wish you all the peace, love, harmony, peace from Africa. Kanre Kanta. Peace from Africa. Bamba Club. Don't forget, share this video, guys. We need peace in Manipur. Comment out peace in Manipur. We need peace in Manipur. Our support from Africa. Love you all. Kanre Kanta.